Mwathani agoco kiugo kia muoyo Jesu witu anenehe nguhope muri arathime na muri andu ega umuthi ndi murathime ni kugia na a good time na muthuri wakwa na uria ingienda guka kumwencourage muthenya wa umuthi ni kugiaga na mahinda kana ni ndagika 5 kana ni ndagika 10 kana ni ndagika 20 kugiaga na mahinda na family yaku kana muthuri waku na gutiri kindu kiega ta kiu umuthi mahinda maria twinamo ni mahinda ma gwika saloonist na ni murakiona ndina saloonist there ula thathaia na hau mutwe ndugitugeithie
kioka moyo mutikira andu arathime itago mutugatiri Jeff na ndirio safeguarding officer wa ciana na muthenya wa muthi ni nie ndira beautify kairitu gaka na ndikire mundu mwega na ndakena ni tondu guka thiini wa mtandao uyu channel eno ikinya bedi muri ugikorwo subscribe ite please subscribe
amen
share message eno nigethe thie kuri family tondu kaundu kau mwaigua mwerwo ha uhoro wa quality time ni fundamental ni very important na gutira makania kana we bishop kana we ni weka songo kasongo no muhaka angi spend time na mutumia wake na ciana ciake gutira makania ni we kana ni we Raila kana ni we Karangwa Muraya kana ni we Kimani wa Icung'wa kana ni Vita kana Mary kana Achieng kana Mutiso kana Mswala mutumia na muthuri ni magirire go spend quality time together na mutumia na muthuri na ciana ciao ni magirire go spend quality time together ona grandchildren ni magirire gukorwo magi spend time together nekethi father jugi atiriri ona arata friends ni magirire gukorwo magi spend time together let me go even deeper ona kanitha wa Ngai kana community ni magirire gukorwo magi spend time together andu aria matacemanagia na magakorwo na mahinda ma gukorwo hamwe whether ni kurianira ni kwaraniria ni kuonana ni kwendana ni kuhoyanira
kana picnic hamwe
yes there is always a problem but when you create time like that you create strong bonds that are not easily broken kuguni dagatha Ngai
ni godira atiri andu no makiuga kai wa ithera wa kiugo kia muoyo ri kai aikarire muthuri wake cabaci tano no urakuruta njuire go
hatire cabaci iho
asa hatire cabaci iho haha
na ngwicire ni murona tiri ya mbere gwika uguo ni undu njikaga uguo ti guikarira njikarirwo I'm all men believe you me na riu koguo ni kindu ngikoretwo ngimenya ni gitagwo quality time na quality time tondu mathaa kwaja maju diaspora mationekanaga ni very important gukorwo na mahinda mega ma go spend time na mutumia waku
appointment ya guthio kuruta njuire no ubukire kiumia kimwe
saruni guku maju kwanja wa mbere ni very expensive na otogo mwaigua mathaa mationekanaga not ati ndungiona ndingi afford withira we mwenyewe na mbeca njiganu na nyingi cia guthi gwika saruni na maundu ma mothe no ni nie ndenda go spend time nake ndimubomoe njuire no ndimurute njuire ino
nigetha
tukorwo na mahinda maya ma gukorwo na ino touch is one language of love na ni very important riu kwoguo time ire andu maspendaga ta mutumia na muthuri kana andu mena relation to ya kuria tu table-ini kana ya guthii out movie kana guthii woko it's all sort of time riu kwoguo we ndiramenya uspendaga time na mutumia waku kana muthuri waku na njira iriku kana na ciana ciaku kana ona your work associates kana your work employees I don't know how you spend time with them but quality time ni very important kwoguo hatire horo wa guikarirwo haha ti horo wa kwaga tondu there is enough money she has enough money I also have enough money to take her to salon if I needed but it's just the opportunity to spend time together nitukwendera kumurehera video ingi cia kuona tugika maundu mangi ta guthondeka na ndwara gwika pampa cio thiu cia maguru all sort of things you know riu kwoguo no ndure turageria kwenda kumwira ni very important to spend quality time together
na mahinda mega na family yaku
yes tondu mahinda mationekanaga people are very busy in life they are trying
in diaspora
Goko diaspora, people try to make money. It's a 24 hours economy.
Yeah.
People make money every day. They try to do things all sort of, but kogo mathaa mationekanaga. Kogo riria wahota kuona mahinda manini ma gukorwo na mutumia waku na muthuri waku na ciana ciaku, take it and do what you need to do. Do what you do best. Etiro rita ria mbere kubomoa ithera njuiri mucio ni murona day pro ni njogona ndirari ndikurora. You can tell. Oops.
Sorry.
Ona ndirari ndikurora tondu ni undu njikite na ni undu njikaga kana kumu blow dry njuiri kana ona kumishampoo. All that is not a big deal. Right? It's just to inspire you, people of God, that never go spend quality time na mutumia waku na muthuri waku. It's very important. Tondu mahinda ti moneki. So yes.
So muge na mahinda mega muri arathime inyue na athuri anyu na atumia anyu na ciana cianyu na muturie wendo tondu wendo niguo tumaga kanitha wa Ngai urathime. Riria ciana irugamite, riria muthuri na mutumia marugamite, kanitha ni irugamaga, nayo kanitha yarugama ikahota gwitiria mbara ciothe cia Saitani. Koguo muturie wendo thiini wa family cianyu na Ngai witu amurathime. Mutikigie na mahinda mega.
Mwini wa rwimbo araugire atiriri, hinya uria umbukagia ndege niguo umituragia riera-ini. Idie kana mwanyita ati hinya uria umbukagia ndege
niguo muturagia.
The relative speed, the speed that ndege yumaga nayo thiini wa runway, it has to maintain that speed kure iguru, otherwise it will come down. Koguo hinya uria umbukagia ndege niguo umituragia kure iguru. Na hau uri ngone muranyitanite ndauga atiriri, wenda kurimira ndugu yaku na family yaku, korwo na enough time, spend enough time now. Ni very important to make mbeca, but money is not everything. So you can come and provide money, you can provide bacon or fish, but if you are not available there, yes, ni andu ni marakena tondu urakirehe mbeca na ni urakigura kaburi
na ti uru gwetha
na ti uru gwika uguo, no ngikorwo ndukoragwo na time ona ya guspendi na family yo, ya kuona ciana ciaku na mutumia waku, ya guspend time na andu aria mwendainwo, then sometimes you may find that whatever you are providing is of no use. So sometimes people need your presence more than what you are supplying.
It's true.
Kwa be careful. No rekie kumenya mwini wa rwimbo ndanahitie hindi araugire hinya uria umbukagia ndege niguo mituragia riera iguru. Rimira wendo waku, rimira relationship yaku, ikarania wega na andu aria mwendainwo nao, na Ngai witu ni eguturia hiko cianyu na cithakarie.
Amen.
Na mwike maundu mega. Ndakena. Hope ni twa inspire mundu.
Muri arathime. Thank you.